Welcome to Up in Alaska. In today's video, we're at Hatcher Pass, where we're going to be doing some exploring, car camping, and cooking some beef stew for dinner. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to help support the channel for free. Now let's get into it. I'm looking for a spot to camp tonight. We'll see if I find something over here. If not, I'll just head down the mountain. I see one tent back here. Looks like up there is private property. There's a piece of machinery up there and a little cabin and a bunch of switchbacks that get up there. There's the cabin. There's the machinery. Well, here's where the road ends. It's a beautiful valley up in here. Well, we're 3,675 feet above sea level. Not a bad looking little spot. I'm pretty sure that's a small mine operation over there. We're gonna do some car camping. I may or may not stay in this location, but it looks like there's something interesting up here, so I'm going to check that out first. There's a little cave here, it looks like. That little stream over there. The mine's over there. Car's down there. And where I really want to camp is over here. I should have put my boots on. Yeah. Oh, really big cave. Hello! Wow. Hello! That's creepy. I need boots. I need to come back with boots. Woo! Alright, that's enough fun. We got all this tin from a structure that was here. Maybe it was a pulley house for all this cable that's left behind. Nice place to sit and relax for a little bit. We'll get out of here. It's getting a little windy up here, so that's another reason I don't want to camp up here. Down there in that little dip where that other car is, that's the ideal camp spot. Someone was using this as target practice. We got somebody up here paragliding. Alright, I made it off the bumpy road. It's groomed road here on out. We got a paraglider right here. He made it all the way down. That spot looks free over there. It's gonna turn around right here. Well, it's a little deeper than I was expecting. And I don't want it to be even deeper up there. So I am gonna back off and go find a different spot. Or wait till the water level's further down. I don't want to risk it, especially if I'm alone. Oh, this is nice. Perfect. Although right here, I think I'm gonna cook right here. It's a little more flat. There we go. That's nice. Got me this cook stove. I'm gonna try this thing out. Probably get my bed made here real quick as well. All right. Got the bed made. Got us a nice view. Chair set up. Gonna get this small cook stove opened up here. Try it out. Got a propane tank adapter. I didn't get any isobutane tanks. It is Ozark Trail, so we'll see how good it goes. It was only 20 bucks. It's a pretty quick deploy. Oh, it even has an electric start. Yeah. All right, here we go. First light. Ooh. She works. That's for sure. I don't know how well that works though. I think I'm gonna move this over here. That's not very stable. Oh, look at that. Almost threw this away. Travel pack. I'm gonna heat that water to get my dough ready. I think that's hot enough. That would be too hot. That's cool enough. Alright, I gotta do this slowly. I've messed up a lot of bread dough before. Alright. It's nice and warm right here, so I'm gonna leave it right here. And for the beef stew, I think I'm gonna get out my big stove. I do like this. I'm gonna use this for when I go backpacking, but definitely unstable for using this tall butane. I need to get an isobutane, but I'm excited to use this more. Works pretty good for the short little bit of time I used it. Now I'll just stick it in its carrying case. There's a little side pouch for these. Got me some steaks. Gonna cook some stew. Yeah, I'm gonna cook this up too. I'm gonna make it extra beefy. Got some beef with mushroom and some beef broth. Don't have a can opener, so I'm gonna have to improvise here. There we go. Give it a little sip, huh? That's good. Half an onion. Some carrots. And best of all, celery. Put a big chunk of butter in there. Oh, nice. That's expanding real good. Oh, that's gonna be so good. That's some good flavor right there. Put my trash away. I'm gonna make some Crystal Light in my red cup. Some creek juice. Got the food going. Bush plane just flew by. Life's good. Food smells good. I can smell it from over here. I'll make a little bit of homemade bread here. This butter's nice. It's got garlic, some dill, some rosemary, and some other herbs and spices. So that's gonna be tasty. Alright, that looks pretty good. Well, I don't know if that cooked all the way through yet. Alright, tear up the bread. Let me put it in the soup. I'm just going to rip it all up and toss it in here. Man, this is the beef stew. Got little dumplings in here. Got the beef. Some carrots, some celery. Got some onion in here. And this bread actually turned out really good. Mix this up a little bit here. Got some more creek juice. Those dumplings are really good, jeez. Keep eating them. It's one of my favorite places. Still not too busy these days, although it's getting more popular. I'm gonna set this in the creek. Let it cool down enough, and then I'm gonna set it in the cooler. That way it doesn't melt all the ice. Man, I'm stuffed. Wouldn't come off of there. All right. Look at that mango. More mango. Look at this. Ooh. Mmm. Kobe. Take a few pictures. This one looks kind of perfect, huh? Lighting's good. Alrighty. Oh, that was delicious. Beef stew, mango for dessert. Mosquitoes are starting to come in though. It's currently 9:40 p.m. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. 6:20 a.m. There's some overcast out here. Cloudy out. Still a beautiful day. And that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to help support the channel for free. If you're interested in that bushcraft knife I have, there's an affiliate link in the description below. There's also a link to join the Discord if you're interested in that. To watch a new video, click here, and to subscribe, click here. I'll catch you guys in the next one.